Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to essentially create a building pad in Revit 2024 using a void extrusion. Let's get started. First things first, we'll begin by importing the Cetopo model. Make sure to auto-configure the project and site locations. This will ensure that your building is placed at the correct elevation. Now let's switch to the site level for a projected view of your toposolid. If needed, adjust the view range by heading to the Properties panel. Under Primary Range, set the top to Unlimited. Don't forget to adjust the cut plane so it's above your model, and turn on massing to view the Cetopo buildings. Next, we'll create a section through your building site. Go to the View panel in the top ribbon and use the Section tool. Once created, open the section from the project browser. If the section view needs tweaking, adjust the view boundary by selecting the rectangle around the view and dragging to the appropriate size. Let's go back to the site plan view. In the top ribbon, under the Architecture panel, click on Component and select Model in Place. In the Family category and Parameters window, scroll down and select toposolid. Next, go to the Create panel and from the Void Forms drop-down menu, choose Void Extrusion, using the drawing tools. This will represent what used to be a building pad in earlier versions of Revit. Once you're done drawing, click Finish to complete the void form. Let's go back to the section view. Adjust the extrusion end by dragging the arrow to position it above the toposolid. You can adjust the extrusion start by either typing a specific elevation in the Properties panel or dragging the extrusion using the arrows. Now, to finish up, use the Cut tool from the Modify panel in the top ribbon. First, select the toposolid and then click on the Void Extrusion to cut the building pad. Finally, select Finish Model to complete the void extrusion. And there you have it. You've successfully created a building pad using a void extrusion in Revit 2024. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.